This is my eastern painted turtle, by far the meanest turtle. As you can see, she is not nice. But that seems how painted turtles are. They're not very laid back or anything. And she's from the East Coast, as it says with Eastern, the Maine area, all the way down to, I believe, like Missouri almost. They have a big range. I'm not 100% sure of the exact range. But she's still healthy and probably even doing the best of any of them because she has her own enclosure area because she is so aggressive like this.